there are four types of example in this unit. First, moving average method. In moving average method, there are three types of example: 3-year moving average, 4-year moving average, and 5-year moving average. And second method, only one example, least square method. So total there are four types of example. Today we are going to discuss two types of example today. First, obtain trend as per 3-year moving average method. You have to find out trend. Year end sales in 1000 is given. So friends, we have to find out 3-year moving average. So please take first total of only 3 years. So only 3 items are taken: 13, 15, and 17. Now do the total of these 3 and write exactly between 3. So write again 15. Total of 13, 15, and 17. So total is 45. And 3-year moving average, you have to divide this total by 3. So trend is 50. So it is a simple less example of 12 statistics points. Only do sum of 3 items and then divide by 3. Simple. Same way now. Now take omit first and take new item 18. Now do the sum of these 3 digits right between this. So again 17 will 15 plus 17 plus 18. The sum is 50. And 50 by 3. So trend comes 16.667. But this is the answer. Now 18 then 25. Do 3-year moving total. The total of only 3. From last 3. 8 plus 5, 13 plus, so 17 plus 18 plus 25, 60, and 60 by 3 is equal to answer, friends. Now take 27. So do this total. You have to take total of 3 items from lower to upper. So 18 plus 25 plus 27, 70. So 70 by 3, 23.33. Now last 28. Do sum of last 3 items 25 plus 27 plus 28, 80, and 80 by 3. 26.667. So we don't have now only 2 items. We have to find out 3 years. So then last yes. So in moving average method, first and last some digit we can not receive. So this is the main limitation of moving average method, friends. In moving average method, opening and closing some year data cannot be received. So this is 3-year moving average method. Now do this example in over same way. If any problem, please call me back. Now 4-year moving average method. In 4-year moving average, friends, remember one thing. In 4-year moving average, you have to take gap between every 2 years. So 2013, 1 year gap, 14 gap, 15 then gap, 16 gap. In 4-year moving average, you have to maintain gap between every 2 years. When we calculate, it will become clear why we have to take gap between 2 years. So 4 year, take 4 years, 90, 94, 92 and 104. Now take sum of 4-year moving total. Now we have to find a 4-yearly moving total. So 4-year total written right between these 4 data. So right between 4 data is come here. So we have to take total here and first 2-year dash 90 plus 94 plus 92 plus 104. So total is 280. So 90 plus 94 plus 92 plus 104 is equal to sum is 280. Up, if you divide 280 by 4 years, look like this 3 year, you get trend between 2040 to 2050. So here problem create. So we will have to find out pairwise total. So now take one step more. 100, 104 then 116. Now take total of these 4 items right between here after keeping gap. So 94 plus 92 plus 104 plus 160. So total is 408. Once again, friend, 4 plus 6. 406. Now we get pair of these two yearly, 4 yearly moving total. Now take the pairwise total and write right between the here. So pairwise total is 6, 8 and 4 plus 2, 680, and then divide this by 8, then we can receive 4 yearly moving average. 686 divided by 8 friends, 85.75. Then sit back. Now carry on this back 160, 120. Keep gap continuously in this method. The total of these 4, 92 plus 104 plus 116 plus 120. So for pairwise total is 432. Once again friends, total from lower to upper 4 yearly total. So 4 plus 2 6, 9, 10, 430. Now pairwise total of these two, taking gap here, 8, 3 and 8. Now divide this by 8. So 8. So 8. $104.70. Now take 124. Now take total of 4 item, 104 plus 116 plus 120 plus 124. $464. Now take pairwise total of these two here. 4 plus 2 6, 9, 896. Then divide it by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, and 112. And at last 130. Take 4 year moving total from lower to upper, 116 plus 120 plus 124 plus 130. $490. And now take 4 pairwise total. 4 954 divide by 8. $119.20. Now we don't have any digit, so take dash in. So see friends, in 3 yearly moving average, first and last year amount cannot be received, and in 4 year moving average we can't receive first and last 2 years data. Once again friends, first take gap between every 4 year moving average. Now take total of 4. Now and write between these 4 here, and then if we divide 280 by 4, we can not receive data exactly for the year, so we have to take pairwise total. So here total of 4 and here is total of 2, so we have to divide it by 4 and divide it by 2. So first we have to divide it by 8. So this is the most easiest unit, and section F is most important for this unit. Thank you friends.